One of the things on page 39 is this idea that power of the Holy Spirit is present for the things that Jesus did in the Bible, right? Healing diseases, casting out demons, raising the dead, preaching the gospel. Those four things is what he was all about. And he empowered the disciples, and he empowered 72. So the small group of 12 and the larger group of 72. And then, like we talked about on Pentecost Sunday, he came and he rested in a unique way, tongues of fire, on those first believers. And that's not meant just to stay in that upper room, that was an experience for all to know and to walk in. And so sometimes what I feel like happens in our church experiences is we relegate the power of the Holy Spirit to those big things and to ministry and full-time ministry versus the idea of what does it mean to be empowered by him to think well?
Right.
What does it mean to be empowered by him to eat well? I mean, the day-to-day in and out of life, we can be empowered by the Holy Spirit for those small decisions as well as the big ones. So
inviting him in to all of it.
Yeah, exactly. So I just want to encourage you that the Holy Spirit is there not just for the big stuff, not just for you to do for the kingdom, but to live with him and to walk with him and walk in step with the Holy Spirit. And if you did not watch yesterday's video, I encourage you to do it, because Jenny shared a beautiful analogy of a tuning fork, and that as the Holy Spirit plays that tuning fork and we come near, our life aligns naturally with who he is and his character and his power.
Wow.
And so it's super exciting. And so Dan, thank you so much for being here. I love you so much.
I love you too.
And we will see you guys next week.
Bye.